today I'm at the International Airport. I will be traveling to New York, and I just wanted to share with you my experience traveling in a pandemic. Welcome everybody, Nikz here, and today I'm at the International Airport where I'll be traveling to New York from Montego. So I wanted to share with you my travel experience in these COVID times. So let's go ahead. Firstly, I have a few masks. I'm just wearing this one as well as goggles and stuff. So let's get into the airport and then I'll come along with me guys as I'm sharing with you my travel experience in COVID-19 today for reference. So today is December 28, 2020 for reference, and I'm traveling from Montego to New York. So I'll see you guys in a few. So for New York, you are required to fill out a Department of Health form. So I'm going to drop this off. There is a queue to drop it off, which is kind of scary. But that's the only thing out of the ordinary so far in this flight experience. Everything else was pretty much standard. Welcome everybody. So on the 29th, I was contacted by a member of the New York Health Department, and from that day, which is the following day that I came to Tuesday, I've been called every day except yesterday, which was New Year's Day. So somebody calls me every day to check how it is that I'm doing, if I'm exhibiting any symptoms, if I am in need of anything in relation to like food or medicine, just general questions. The first day we did like a comprehensive thing where she went through a checklist. She sent me an email with my quarantine order. Apparently quarantine has changed to 10 business days, not business days, but 10 days instead of 14, sorry. So mine will end on the 7th of January. So looking forward to that. Overall, it was a quick process in terms of somebody contacting me and checking up on me every day. I really wasn't expecting that. This is the queue to drop off the health form, which is ridiculous to me because now you are encouraging me to gather, but it is what it is. Welcome everybody, Nikita here once again. So I've arrived in New York. For the most part, the flight experience wasn't any different. Sadly, I wasn't provided with any personal protective gear. I had brought my own, so that sufficed. I didn't see any additional cleaning or anything that we're used to in Jamaica. I've never seen none of that. None of that, none of that, none of that. The only thing is when you get to New York, you're required to fill out like a New York healthcare form. I guess they're doing like contact tracing just in case they need to get in touch with people. That was the only thing different for me. Everything else was standard procedure, regular flight experience pre-COVID. So that was a little bit scary. I expected, more cleaning. I expected to probably get a package with like sanitizer and wipes. That wasn't the case, but all in all, I had a good flight experience. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Hope that you found it helpful, and I'll see you on the next one. Okay guys, Nikita is here and it's a good cheer. So I'm surprising her. Excuse me, ma'am. Hi, do you need help? What are we doing?